Hello guys, my name is Victor Adelti and I'm a UI UX designer, and today I want to be talking about prototype. First of all, what is prototype? Prototype can be defined as the interactive model of a design and how the prototype works. As a UI UX designer, you have to understand that after designing, it is important for you to present your work to stakeholders or clients that give you the job before you move into the development stage. And when you are presenting your job, it is important that your prototype feature of every product you're working on shows how user will interact with the app, with the product. It shows how user will interact with the product, and that will help stakeholders or clients understand that, okay, yes, this is how this product is expected to interact or react. Now, let's go into my screen so we can, do an example for us to easily understand what I'm trying to say. Now, as you can see, I have two screens over here of a software page. So now this is the dashboard screen. As you can see here, this is the dashboard screen, and over here we have the project screen. Now I'm trying to present this work to a client, and I want them to be able to understand how user will interact with this product and how the product itself will interact with user when they are using it. Now let's assume that we all know this is the dashboard screen that you're seeing here, and I'm going to explain a situation whereby when the user lands into this dashboard screen and they hit project over here, it takes them to this project screen. And when they're on this project screen and they hit this desktop button, or let me say this desktop over here, this dashboard over here, it takes them to this dashboard screen. Now, how do I do that? That is where prototype comes into play. Then the next thing I will do is I'll hit prototype over here. I'll select this project on the first screen. Now, after selecting project, you can see that there is this plus icon hovering all over it. So what I will do next is I'll select this plus icon over here and drag it on the second one, which is this desktop screen. And immediately I drag it over here, you can see this interaction pops up, which means that Figma is trying to tell us that how do you expect this screen to interact or react whenever someone clicks it. Now, I'll set this trigger to on click. I'll set this navigate to then this desktop page, which is what you're seeing over here. Then I'll leave animation as instance. Go. Now that is done, I'll just go outside. Now, on this project screen, I want a situation whereby when a user click this dashboard itself, it navigates straight to this dashboard screen as it go. What I will do is just the same setting. I'll select dashboard. Just like you can see this, this plus icon hovering over it. What I'll just do is I'll select this icon, then I'll just drag it and drop it on the second screen. Then this same interaction model pops up, which I'll just leave it as the same setting, just like the first one. I set this to on click. I set this to navigate to. Then this I'll leave it as desktop 3. Then this animation I'll leave it as instant. Now let's test what we have done. What I'll do is I select this first one over here. Then I'll hit this play icon. Good. So now let me adjust this very well so you can be able to see my whole screen. I'll set this to fit with. Now, as you can see, this is design I worked on. And now I'm trying to present my work to a client that gave me this job, and I want them to be able to see how this will react. Now, which means the first thing any user will see when they come into this particular software is this dashboard screen. And when the user clicks project, you can see it navigates straight to this project screen. And when they are on this same project screen, when they hit this dashboard itself, it takes them straight back to this dashboard screen. So just see prototype as a means for you to connect one screen to another screen. Hope you're getting me, which means you might be designing a mobile app and you're trying to connect screen 1 to screen 2. Hope you're getting me. And when the user clicks a particular button or a particular prompt on the first screen, it takes them to another screen. So that is just how prototype work in Figma. And if you know you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to follow, because I'll be dropping more tips on Figma. Thank you. Bye.